Breaking news we're tracking at the moment, the BJP capitalizing on the deepening divide between Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumar camps in Karnataka is planning to move a no-confidence motion against the Siddaramaiah-led government during the winter session beginning the 8th of December. Just listen in to what the BJP is saying currently.
ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಮೈಸೂರಿಗೆ ಸೀಮಿತ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಾನ್ಯ ಉಪಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸೀಮಿತ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಆಡಳಿತವನ್ನು ಇಡೀ ಮಂತ್ರಿಮಂಡಲ ಇವತ್ತು ಕುಸಿದು ಬಿದ್ದಿರೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಯಕರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತುಕತೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಬೆಳಗಾವಿಯ ಅಧಿವೇಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಗೊತ್ತುವಳಿಯನ್ನು ಮಂಡನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು.
Ritu Raj Purohit has further details for us. She joins us live currently. Ritu, take us through the BJP's calculation here. Are they seeing cracks wide enough in the Congress to embarrass the government on the floor of the House?
Parmeshwar, you see, we've been hearing all this while from the BJP leaders saying that the administration here in the state is getting weaker. Now, amid all that, the BJP is also planning a lot ahead of this winter session. If that the High Command really fails to resolve this issue in the just couple of weeks, couple of days left now, there you have the BJP senior leader coming out to say that they are planning for the no confidence motion to be moved in the House, because as we do know that it all means that the party does not enjoy the majority, to therefore has no right to hold the power. Now, that's the kind of a big move that the BJP is really planning. Now, all that, just not the Congress leaders from both the camps, DK's and the Siddaramaiah's camp. Now, looks like the BJP is also trying to mount the pressure on the High Command, saying that you better resolve your issue right now. If not, then you will also just not have the camps, both the camps leaders coming out to pull you up, but it's also the BJP in the state who's gearing up to pull up them continuously ahead of the winter session. Now, amid all this needs to be seen, because this can be made as on the serious note by the Congress senior leaders as well. We'll have to see and watch out that how the Congress senior leaders are going to react to it. Now, of course, when we look at the number game, we do know that the Congress presently has 137 MLAs with them, with 3 more actually adding to provide them a support. It comes to almost 140 MLAs. Now, that's something, when we look into the number game, it slightly looks difficult for what the BJP is really dreaming at this point in time. But however, it's all that the BJP trying to mount the pressure on the High Command as well now.
Ritu, as always, thank you so much for joining us with the lowdown.